Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete P2P investment website. So this is the latest P2P investment script of InvoLab, and if you want to buy this script you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description, and you can also contact us on Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and buy this script, and the advantage you will get of buying from us is we will give you the installation free of cost. So don't waste your time and buy the script. And if you need this complete website, we also provide the complete websites with domain name and hosting. So let's start this video and let's explore this website. So first of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website, and here you can change it completely through admin panel, and it is completely controllable. Here you can see the about section. You can change images, you can change every text that is on the website from admin panel. It is completely a manageable site. So here you can see the plans that are on your website, P2P investment plans, INR, Indian currencies, and the other is in USDT. So here you can create multiple plans in different currencies. You can create plans in your own currencies as well as in USDT. And here you can see maximum invest, total profit after these days, and a user can create account and easily invest in these plans. So here is a client section. You can completely change these details, these sections from admin panel, and you can also visit these pages separately if you want to visit. For example, if I want to visit the contact page, I can easily visit the contact page. So here you can see that we are on contact page. Now let's log into user panel and see how it looks like. So this is a login page. So if you don't have an account, you must have to register over this website. So you have to click on register now, and it will redirect you to a register page. So you have to fill these simple details and register on the website. Now we already have an account, so we are not going to create a new account. So we will enter with our existing details, and I will click on login now, and it will log me into my user dashboard. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our account. First of all, you can see your total investment, total withdrawals, referral user, total transactions, and here are your total transactions right here. So when we scroll above, so here you can see the investment plan. So user can directly invest in plans by clicking on invest now. So when I click on invest now, here you can see the plans on your website, and you can easily invest and activate any plan you want. So here is the same case with withdrawal. You can easily withdraw your money using any gateway. So there are multiple automatic and manual gateways. You can create them and withdraw your money. Here's a transaction log, referral system. Here you can refer different people. Here's a support, account activation, and some other options are there. So here we can activate our account by activating the plans. So when I go to account option, here I can change my password, I can change two-factor authentication, I can log out directly, and I can change my profile setting. So here I will click on log out. So here you can see that we have successfully logged out, and now let's log into our admin panel and see how it will looks like. And I will go to my admin, and here I have to enter my admin details. So I will enter my admin details right here, and when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel, and you can see the amazing look of our admin panel. So here you can see total notifications that are on your site. From admin settings, you can change the admin details from here. Here you can see user details, active user, total plans on your website, total investment, and here you can see the graphs related to investments. So here are the user options. Here you can see total active users that are on your site. So, and you can add balances to their account, subtract balance, and here you can see banned users, some other users related activities from here. Here you can manage the currencies on the website. You can so here you can see that there are two currencies, USDT and INR, but you can create your own currencies for the plans from here. So here you can easily create currencies. Then here you can create investment plans by going to investment plan option. You can edit the existing plans, or you can create a new plan from here. So this is how simple to create a plan. So don't waste much more time and buy this script, and you will get installation of the script for free. And here you can see that make eligible option. You can make different users and eligible on something or not. And here is the investment. You can see all the investments that are on your site. Here are the withdraw options. You can see your withdraw logs, pending withdraw logs, upcoming withdrawals, completed withdrawals, and referral withdrawals from here. Here are the payment options. Here you can see all your payments and you can manage the payments. You can see pending payments. You can complete the payments. You can approve payment requests from here. Here support ticket admin can communicate with user or guide the user about certain tasks. Here you can see the report option. You can see all the report of transaction and other reports of your website right here. From general setting, basically you can change the site title, site name, and some other site secondary colors, etc. from here. From system configuration option, basically you can turn on off different settings that are on your website. Here you can see different email verifications, passwords, force SSL. You can turn them off, on from here. So from referral settings, you can manage the referrals. You can create a multiple levels of referrals from here. From logo and favicon, sorry for this, and from logo and favicon, here you can change the site logo and favicon of your site. You just have to select the logo and you can easily change the logo. So there are some other option extensions. You can add external extensions. You can add any language, local language you want to add. You can easily add a language. You just have to add the language code and name. You can easily add a language. So there is how you can add language. You just have to select the name of language and you have to insert the code and language will be inserted on your website. So from notification settings, you can manage the notifications, email notification, SMS notifications from here. And here you can manage the SEO of this website. From manage template, you can manage the templates. From manage pages, you can manage all the pages that are on your site. And from manage section, you can manage a multiple sections on your home page. For example, if I want to edit my banner of this website, so I just have to click on banner section and I can easily edit this banner images. I can edit banner text. I can edit every detail that is on my banner section from here. And I can click on submit and the details will be updated. So this is how it is easy to change these details. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this InvoLab P2P investment website script. Now if you want to buy the script, you can contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the script, and installation of the script will be free if you have domain and hosting. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete website. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and other people who need this website.